How to download images from Google Chrome. Now, in order for you to get this done, what you are going to do is just simply type here what you need. Say, for example, if I'm looking for something related to nature, I can just go ahead and tap it there or write it there, and then go ahead and click images. And then from here, what you are going to do is basically select an image that you would like to download. Just take note that there are some images that are subject to copyright. So if you are going to use this for a purpose of monetizing it, then you are most likely to get in trouble. So take note of that. So say for example, you have selected an image that you want to use and download. What you are going to do is just right click here, and then what you're going to do is look for the option save image as. Go ahead and click that one, and then you can just go ahead and basically save this wherever you want. Just go ahead and take note of the file type here. This is going to be a bit different. Now depending on your needs, for example in my case JPEG is okay, I can just go ahead and click the save button, and I can go ahead and click it in order for me to open this one. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.